Today we will discuss about the performance times. So in previous class we already discussed about the simple outline and simple inline. So next topic is performance times. So execute n number of times without any condition. If you want to execute your loop, it will execute n number of times without any conditions. There are two types. Inline n times and inline n times, outline n times. So in inline n times, so the program is perform 5 times and end perform. In perform and end perform, we are writing a display statement. Okay. So in perform and end perform, we written a display statement. So it is a sequential flow of execution. So the display statement will execute 5 times. Why? Because we have written perform 5 times. In the output screen, we can see 5 times hello display statement. Okay, clear.
Yes,
Yes.
Mani.
So in outline instance, it is a random flow of execution. So it is a like in between perform and end perform, the logic will be written. It is a explicit scope terminator. It is a implicit scope terminator. Here perform para 1 5 times. Okay. So first the control comes to perform and again control goes to para 1. Para 1 will be executed 5 times. In the output screen you can see 5 display statements. Again the control back to perform statement. After that stop run. Okay. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Execute the para 1 5 times. After 5 times control back to the perform statement only. Here it is a sequential flow of execution, means first control comes to perform statement, then control goes to display statement. Display statement will execute 5 times and again control goes to end perform. Sequential order one by one. Okay. Here it is a random flow execution, means control comes to perform and goes to para 1 and execute the para 1 5 times and again control get back to the perform statement, then after stop run. Okay, clear.
Yes.
Yes, Mani.
So here is some example. So first the control comes to perform statement and execute the para 1 4 times. Now the control goes to para 1 and execute this display statement. Then after the control goes to which statement? Say
Again, go to
again go to.
perform only after displaying hello 4 times.
So the para 1 is written before the stop run. Okay. Inside the para 1 we can see display statement hello. After display statement we can see stop run message. So the control goes to stop run and para 1 will be executed only one time. Okay. Why? Because means the para 1 is written before the stop run. That's why the para 1 will be executed only one time. Only only one time hello we can see in the sysout. Okay. Understand
Yes, ma'am.
or not?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
in this, perform para 1 4 times. The control goes to, now control goes to para 1. Inside the para 1, display statement will execute 4 times. And again, control get back to the perform statement. And after that, perform, you can see display message completed. After that, stop run. Okay. So I forgot to write completed. Okay. First,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
control comes to perform and perform para 1 4 times. Control goes to para 1. Execute this display statement 4 times. Okay. Next, again, control gets back to the perform statement. In the next line, you can see display statement, display completed. Next line, stop run. Okay, terminated. Okay, now
Yes,
clear or not? Here
Yes,
we
yes,
ma'am.
here we have written this para 1 display hello after the stop run. So we have the written para 1 display hello before the stop run. That's why this para 1 is executed only one time. After stop run, if you write para 1, it will execute 4 times. Okay. Difference between if para in before the stop run and after the stop run. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Example is perform para, sorry, perform 5 times. So the control goes to display high. After that, the control goes to display hello. After that, the control goes to buy. Okay. After buy,
Yes.
the next control goes to which position? After
Display high.
display high. Okay. Why?
yes,
Because means, so for the first time only the control comes to perform statement. From the second time onwards, the control comes to first statement in the loop. Okay. So this display high, display hello, and display by will be executed 5 times. After that, end perform. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see hi, hello by 5 times in the school area. Okay. Clear or not?
yes, man.
Yes, ma'am.
So next question is, I'm declaring a 01 variable name WSI, picture class 9 of 2 bytes, value 0. So I am moving 5. Moving 5 to which variable? WSI variable and perform WSI times. What is the value of WSI?
Five.
Value
Zero
of
five.
WSI is 5 times. Means perform 5 times. So the control goes to display WSI. After displaying, the control goes to add 1 to WSI. Means adding 1 to WSI, the WSI value will be changed to 6. Now 5 will be displayed. Next, adding 1 to WSI 6. After that, again display WSI means 6 will be displayed. After that, add 1 to WSI 7. Display WSI 7. Add 1 to WSI, change to 8. Display WSI 8. Add 1 to WSI 9. Display WSI 9. Okay. So how many times the loop will be repeated? 5
Five.
times.
Right.
Means WSI times. Okay. What are the values of WSI? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Clear?
Yes, money.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next example is declare a group, variable name WSA 9 of 2 bytes value 7. So I'm moving 7 to WSA. Perform para 1 WSA times means perform para 1 7 times.
7.
7 times.
Now control goes to para 1 adding 1 to WSI. Adding 1 to WS.
WSI.
So here adding 1 to WSI, and this loop will be repeated how many times? This loop will
7.
be repeated how many
7.
times? 7
7
times.
times.
So again, after performing para 1 7 times, the control goes to perform statement and display WSI now. So what is the value of WSI now? What is the value of WSI?
8.
What?
8 money.
How it is 8?
Right,
Adding
what is the question, Mane? Repeat again.
So this is the program. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am moving value of 7 to WSI.
Yes, ma'am.
So perform para 1 7 times.
Yes, ma'am.
So the control goes to which para 1 and
Correct.
adding 1 to WSI means adding
Yes,
1
ma'am.
to WSI. The value is
Yes, ma'am.
8 now.
Yes, ma'am.
So this adding 1 to WSI will be performed 7 times. Why? Because
Yes, ma'am.
perform para 1 7 times.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
So again
Yes.
the control after adding after this para 1 execute 7 times, again control backs to the perform statement.
Yes, ma'am.
After that displaying the WSI value. What is the value of WSI?
7, I guess.
How 7? Tell me. Did you understand the question?
Yeah, question understood. Like we are adding one by one means one after one. Adding 1 to 7, it goes 8. After adding 1, it goes 9. At
Hmm.
the end of the program, it goes 14. After that, we are displaying the VSI. It will
Hmm.
be 14.
Then what is your answer previously? You answered 7 no, now you are answering 14. Which one is correct? 7 or 14?
Now 14.
Huh? Tell me, Gopal.
14 money.
So the answer is 14. Okay. Understand, Shamla ma'am?
money. One doubt.
Just tell me.